Friends, welcome to this video. I am Dr. N. Namasivayam. Today we will be learning and knowing important confusing words for which I have taken 4 words, namely banned, B-A-N-N-E-D, banned. Second one, abolished. Third one, scrapped. And the fourth one, prohibited. So, when and how to use these words appropriately and correctly. Let me explain one by one. The first word, namely banned, B-A-N-N-E-D, banned. What's the meaning of the word banned? It means not allowed by a law, L-A-W, not allowed by a law, or forbidden. Example sentences. The government has banned online gambling. Next example sentence. The government has banned New Year celebrations on beaches and roads due to COVID-19. Next sentence. The cricket player has been banned from playing cricket matches for 2 years. The drunkard driver is banned from driving for 1 year. And one more sentence. The university has banned, or the government has banned, doctors' strikes and protests. So these are the example sentences for the first confusing word, banned, B-A-N-N-E-D, banned, forbidden or not allowed by a law. Second confusing word, abolished. Simple meaning, to end a law, to end a system or practice or custom or any institution. So this is called abolished, to put an end to a law. Example sentences. Slavery is abolished in India in 19th century. Untouchability is abolished in India. One more example sentence. Most of the politicians want the death penalty should be abolished. The government has decided to abolish fertilizer subsidies to farmers. One more example sentence. The corporation officials have decided to abolish the collection of entrance fees for museum from the students. So these are the example sentences for the word abolished. Next word, scrapped. What is scrap? It means to reject as useless or to throw away as useless. This is one meaning. Another meaning, waste materials, or to discard, or to leftover. So these are the various meanings for the word scrapped. Example sentences. The first sentence. The MPhil degree program is scrapped by the University Grants Commission. One example sentence. The university has scrapped the trimester system for the university examinations. Scrapped. One more example sentence. The new project is a failure. It is scrapped. One more example sentence. The government employees want that the new pension scheme should be scrapped. The marketing manager, after discussing with the top management, decided to scrap the new marketing strategy. So these are the various example sentences for the word scrapped. It means to reject as useless or to throw away as useless. last confusing word, prohibited. It means exclude from use. It is excluded. That use is excluded. What are the example sentences? Smoking is prohibited in the hospital. Another sentence. The sale of tobacco products to people under 18 is prohibited. So these are the various example sentences for the word prohibited. And very common word is trespassing. Trespassing in the temple land is prohibited. So simply speaking, prohibited means exclude from use, not allowed to use. This is called prohibited. So these are the confusing words. See you in the next video with other interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.